He's a Zulu guy. He's a tall guy. Now describing him to me, he's known as Z, who stays in Sandton, who I understood to him to be Z Numano. He said Z is a close friend of Julius Malema, who is a politician, who then tends to be close to General Sibiya. So he was connecting the person that we arrested to Z, and then Z to Julius Malema, and then Julius Malema, who is friend to General Sibiya, the Deputy National Commissioner. Now he's painting a picture to me that I do not know, to now be aware that this is how the chain goes.
Completely unbelievable there. So this is a witness who is going by the name Witness A at the Madlanga Commission, and this witness, as you just heard for yourself, he revealed, that the guy that they arrested. So this guy that was arrested was connected to this Santon guy called Z Ngumalo. Then Z Ngumalo is connected to Julius Malema. Then Julius Malema is connected to Shadrack Sibiya. This is unbelievable. So you can see that there is a direct connection here from Julius Malema to Shadrack Sibiya. It's not like this is Malema, Z Ngumalo in between, then Shadrack Sibiya next. No. This is the guy they arrested, connected to Z Ngumalo to Malema, Malema to Shadrack Sibiya. Completely unbelievable. Now, with this information on hand, what does this tell us? It raises questions, as to why did Julius Malema skip that what is it called, the testimony by Shadrack Sibiya, because during Shadrack Sibiya's testimony at the ad hoc committee, Julius Malema did not attend. It was over I think 2 times, or was it 3 times, Sibiya appearing before the ad hoc committee. Malema was nowhere to be seen, and there was no explanation whatsoever from EFF nor from Malema himself. Malema just decided to excuse himself. Now, with this information from Witness A, I just can't help but try to connect. And the way I would like to connect, is like it sort of like provides concrete evidence to what Witness A is saying, because Malema missed that ad hoc committee without a clear explanation. Now, getting this information, you can see that most probably Julius Malema has a relationship with Shadrack Sibiya. But relationships are relationships, but why would then Julius Malema not appear at all? However, in as much as this information is coming out as big right now, Advocate Defo actually talked about this. He said the people who were behind his arrest were Shadrack Sibiya and Julius Malema. And when Advocate Defo said that, nobody believed him. But now there is a lot of smoke coming out. Advocate Defo mentioned it. Malema was nowhere to be seen when Sibiya was there. And now we have Witness A coming out. So these are 3 solid pieces that we have that are connecting Julius Malema to Shadrack Sibiya. Gayton McKenzie did mention it, and said a lot of information is going to come out. You are not going to believe it. And this is where we are now. General Mpanazi did also mention about Khan, at EFF event. And we have this Tembisa Hospital, Ekuleni, which is under the EFF. So Julius Malema is in serious trouble at the moment. It's all I can say. Because this latest allegation, it definitely needs more of like an explanation from Malema himself. He cannot continue to ignore this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one.